P0700, Transmission Control System, MIL request. If you're seeing a P0700 code, it means the Transmission Control Module, or TCM, has detected a problem and asked the Engine Control Module to turn on the check engine light. The code itself doesn't tell you what the issue is, just that there is one somewhere in the transmission system. So here's what to know. P0700 is basically a flag. It tells you to dig deeper. The actual transmission-related code will be stored in the TCM, not the ECM, and the basic scanner might not pick it up. You'll need a scan tool that can read transmission-specific codes. A lot of the free loaner tools at AutoZone or O'Reilly can do this, so it's worth asking. Now, as for what might be going on, could be a range of things. A slipping transmission, bad shift solenoid, sensor issue, or internal problem like low fluid pressure. Most common causes are low or dirty transmission fluid. If the fluid is dark, burnt smelling, or low on the dipstick, that's your first red flag. Always check that first. Failed shift solenoid. These are inside the transmission and control how it shifts. If one sticks or goes bad, it can trigger a fault code that leads to the P0700, wiring or connector issues. Especially if water or corrosion gets into a transmission harness, it can mess with signals and cause false readings. Speed sensors. The TCM uses input and output shaft speed sensors to monitor what's going on. If one fails or sends bad data, it can affect shifting and trigger the warning. Sometimes the issue is internal, like worn clutch packs, valve body problems, or even the TCM itself malfunctioning. In terms of locations, the TCM might be part of the ECM in some vehicles, but in many it's a separate unit, often found under the hood near the transmission or inside the car near the firewall. Shift solenoids and speed sensors are inside the transmission or mounted on it, depending on the design. So, what should you do? Start by checking your transmission fluid. If it's low or dirty, change it. That alone can fix the issue if you're lucky. Next, get a full scan of the transmission module using a capable scanner. That will tell you which component is actually at fault. If it's a solenoid, sensor, or wiring issue, you can usually replace or repair those without opening the whole transmission. If you don't feel confident doing it yourself, a local transmission shop or a mobile diagnostic tech can usually scan the TCM and narrow it down fast. So yeah, P0700 by itself just means there's more to see. Check your fluid, scan the TCM, and go from there. That's it for this one. I'll catch you in the next.